Hey, what's up guys? Luke Profits. Today we're going to be talking about how to avoid listing bad products when dropshipping on Amazon. Now, what classifies as a bad product? There are a couple different kinds, and the first is just products that have low reviews and ratings. If you want to list something and then you notice it's got 2 stars or something like that on Amazon, probably not the best thing to list because when buyers end up having issues, those are going to come back and hit you on your account. So it's best to just avoid products that are like 2 stars or less. 3 stars is a little bit dicey. If it's a higher 3-star rating, maybe it's fine. If it's lower than that, you're not going to want to do it. Just skip it and list something else. The second kind of bad products to avoid when drop shipping are anything that could be a knockoff or a fake, or even if you're getting it from an official source, but you know there are a lot of knockoffs or fakes out there. For example, let's say a $200 pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. If you know there are a bunch of knockoffs, of, it looks the same and it's not legit, there are a bunch of fake versions of the same item, some people are going to be hopping on there trying to sell the fake for the full value and then make a massive profit there. Not something that you want to be doing, obviously, but just because people are doing that, it's best to stay away from any of those items that you know there are probably going to be a lot of fakes of and stuff like that. The third and probably most applicable kind of item to avoid drop shipping on Amazon are IP products. IP products are products that the copyright holder does not want you to resell on Amazon. They can cause a lot of issues on your account if you're not careful, and the best way to avoid accidentally listing IP products is to just use Reprice Hub. Whenever you go to list an item through Reprice Hub on Amazon, it'll just automatically detect if it's a IP brand or not. It'll give you a pop-up warning like, hey, this is an IP product. Are you sure that you want to list it? Probably not the best idea, and then you can just not list the product. Reprice Hub is a great tool that you should be using, and it does a whole lot more than just block IP products and stuff like that. So click up here. I did a whole video going over the settings of Reprice Hub and all that stuff, how it works, everything it can do. So just click up here. There should be a video popping out, and if there's not, I probably just forgot to link it or something like that. I'm also going to put a link down here to where you can sign up for Reprice Hub. You get a free trial and then 30% off your first month once you actually start paying for it and stuff like that. But yeah, very good software, very useful. I'll put a link in the description that you can click as well. Well guys, that's it for the video. If you're new to dropshipping on Amazon and you're trying to figure out how to get started, I've got a full free set of training videos down there, link in the description. Goes over everything you need to know to get started dropshipping on Amazon. And Amazon's great because compared to other platforms, it's actually super easy to get sales with very few listings because there's so many more buyers on Amazon and so many few sellers that you're competing with compared to other platforms like eBay. If you've got any questions about anything dropshipping related, feel free to hit me up on Facebook. I'll put a link down there, as well as a link to a group that I started that has hundreds of other dropshippers in it that you can join. I post new content on this channel every few days, so go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications, and I'll be back with another video in a couple days.